Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum to all of you. I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Today is Tuesday and the date is 11th of May 2021, and here is your mathematics teacher in your mathematics class. My dear students, our today's topic is based on prime numbers, co-prime numbers and composite numbers. As in our previous lectures, we had studied separately about these numbers, but today we have to study all about prime, co-prime and composite numbers. So, the objectives of our today's class is, after this lesson, my all dear students, they will be able to define prime numbers, co-prime numbers and composite numbers. And I'm sure they will be able to identify prime and composite numbers and explain the characteristics of prime, co-prime and composite numbers. So let's learn through some examples. As we know that prime numbers are a number greater than 1 which has only two factors, number 1 and itself is called a prime number. For example, 7 is a prime number because 7 has only 1 and 7 as factors. It comes only in the table of 1 and 7. So any number that has only two factors, they are called prime numbers. So let's have some examples of other prime numbers. They are 2, 3, 5, 11, 17, 19, 23. My dear students, note down that 1 is not prime and not composite, and 2 is the smallest prime number. 2 is the only even prime number. 2 and 5 are the only prime numbers that end. Now, composite numbers. A number greater than 1 which has more than two factors is called composite number. For example, 12 is a composite number because when we list down the factors of 12, it comes in the table of 1 and 12, 2 and 6, 3 and 4. So the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. So it means it has more than two factors. That's why we can call it as composite number. The other composite numbers are 4, 6, 8, 10, 14, 15, 16, 18 and so on. Now let's come towards the co-prime numbers. Two numbers that have only one as the common factor, they are known as co-prime numbers. For example, 4 and 9 are co-prime numbers because when we list down the factors of 4, they are 1, 2 and 4, and the factors of 9 are 1, 3 and 9. So after listing down, when we take the common factors between these two numbers, we get only 1 as a common factor. So we always say that any number that has only 1 as common factor, they are called co-prime numbers. My dear students, always remember that all the prime numbers are co-prime numbers. So I hope that you understood about all these types of numbers. Let's summarize our lesson. So these are the points that you should remember. Factors are numbers we multiply together to get an other number. For example, if we multiply 2 and 3, we get the answer as 6. So here 2 and 3 are the factors of 6. A prime number has only two factors, 1 and itself. A composite number has more than two factors. The number 1 is neither prime number nor a composite number. The prime numbers between 2 and 31 are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29 and 31. Since each of these numbers has only two factors, 1 and the number itself. Two numbers are coprime if their greatest common factor is 1. Two even numbers cannot be coprime as they have always 2 as the common factor. All pairs of two consecutive numbers are coprime numbers. Let's end our lesson with a beautiful saying that the only way to learn mathematics is to do mathematics. So, as much as you will practice for maths, you will be successful, inshallah. Thank you, all of you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.